Hey guys, my son on the last comp actually tore off my plastic bumper. So everything came off. But now I have this tube bumper from A&M Garage. This thing is nice and beefy, and I did order it with the bull bar, they call it. This is so that you can actually hook up a hook and pull people. So this is nice and beefy, and I challenge my son to actually try to break that one. I also got from him the skid plate that goes on each side of the TF2. So that's for the regular wheelbase TF2 from the kit. They are different. You do have to tell him what it is. And he also supplied me with a anti-twist for the rear axle. So this actually stops for the axle from twisting. When you're giving it a lot of torque, you see the axle actually want to twist, and sometimes the leaf actually bends on it. So this eliminates all that. So these three little options are going to be awesome on my TF2. And it also complements the A&M skid plate that I've installed previously onto my TF2. So now I got to install everything, and my son will be ready for the next skull to crawl. Thanks guys, cheers, have fun, and till then, charge up some batteries, go out there and break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Cheers.